The Russians show their howitzer, which had a North Korean shell explode in its barrel. So Kim Jong-un should send more of these, definitely. If you love huge explosions, this video is for you. Reportedly, ammo was hidden in the middle of ammonia fertilizer in the Kursk region. The aftermath of Ukraine's strike on the Air Defense Training Center near Yeysk Air Base in Russia is visible in new satellite imagery. This site is more than 130 kilometers from the front line in Ukraine. The Russian OSA air defense system missed the observation drone, but the FPV drone that was lurking around did not miss the Wasp. Russian air defense are getting smashed. With Russia's new army or prison legislation, Putin's hunger for more trench meat intensifies as shopping malls around Russia are raided. A Saturday night out with friends becomes death in Ukraine. In Bernal, 200 more for Putin's corpse grinder. But following an FSB raid on Friday nightlife in Barnaul, an olive oil warehouse spontaneously combusted in the city. The fascists also raided a construction site in Voronezh. The workers were taken to the police station where undoubtedly they were made an offer they can't refuse. Go to prison or go to Ukraine as cannon fodder. At night, Russians, for the first time, launched 4-caliber missiles from the Azov Sea, not the Black Sea, reported the Ukrainian Navy. This is an important turning point because they now consider the Sea of Azov safer, the Ukrainian Navy spokesman Dmytro Pletenchuk. In Russia, while police came to the help of a passerby who got attacked by hooligans, one of the drunks stole the police car right in front of them in Ufa. Russian Z-blogger complains about Ukrainian drones and FPV drones on the front lines. Similar complaints have been arriving from different Z-bloggers, Russian volunteers, soldiers, etc. The ratio of drones on the front line is now about 1 to 6, not in our favor. It's a rough estimate, maybe more, but definitely not less. And the trend is for the gap to widen. All because of the sluggishness and slowness of our bureaucratic machine. In Ukraine, all small NGOs and private garage workshops are under control and receive funding. 2 years later, this brought results, and the quantity began to change into quality. We have a lot of promising projects that have come to a standstill, either because of bureaucracy or lack of funding. Something has to be done about it, and very quickly. Otherwise, we will fall hopelessly behind. Just so that you understand the scale of the problem I have voiced. 2:45. Enemy FPV drones attacked one of the positions in Vovchansk, where my comrade is now, from dawn to dusk. And it's only one of his positions. Putin Russia achieved another own goal. The Republic of Korea, South Korea, is considering to supply arms to Ukraine. South Korea's presidential office has condemned an agreement reached by Russia and North Korea that vowed mutual defense assistance in the event of war, the Associated Press reported. The office also said South Korea will reconsider its policy of limiting its support to Ukraine to non-lethal supplies. It's absurd that two parties with a history of launching wars of invasion, the Korean War and the war in Ukraine, are now vowing mutual military cooperation on the premise of a preemptive attack by the international community that will never happen, the office of South Korea's President Yoon Suk-yeol said. Lukashenko told how he milks cows in his dreams. Also, during a visit to a dairy complex, he said the best job is in agriculture, and the presidency is fiddle-faddle.
Лучшей работы нет, запомни, нет. Я это все прошел.
Так я кроме сельского хозяйства
И
нигде не
правильно,
работаю.
нет лучше. Мне снятся по ночам сейчас люди, с которыми я работал, снятся. Коровы, я их ночь даю, там еще ужас. Лучше нет. Никакое президентство, это все чепуха. Самое интересное здесь работа. Живые люди, живой скот, живые растения и результат каждый год.
Этим надо жить. Не
Конечно.
на работу ходить, а
Совершенно
жить. Тогда
верно.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.